Hi, I am Yvette LeBoy, Lupus Wellness Coach. Welcome. Have you ever wondered what crystals should you use if you suffer from lupus? A good place to start is with root chakra crystals. Root chakra crystals help ground you to Mother Earth and promote overall healing and ease of pain. Some root chakra crystals are hematite and bloodstone. Hematite helps support the immune system and eases pain. The bloodstone purifies the blood and helps fight disease. Aquamarine also supports and helps calm an overactive immune system. These beautiful crystals are all suitable for helping with lupus. Crystals for healing should be used as a complement to other therapies and not as a replacement for regular medical care. The information offered here is based on a combination of my own personal experiences using crystals for healing. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Yvette LeBoy, Lupus Wellness Coach. I want to help you go from surviving to thriving. Have a great day.